Page number 27. Okay, turn your book to page number 27. Okay, page number 27. Now, the first part of the question, okay, rearrange the letters of the words given below to get a naming word. Okay, the first one is done to guide you. Okay, the first word that was given is LOW. Okay, and they have changed it. You all know what is naming words, right? Naming words are nothing but that names a person, place, animal, or thing. But low is not a naming word. So they have changed, they have rearranged the letters and made it into OWL. Owl is a naming word, right? It is a bird. Okay. Now the second one you have eat. Can you all tell me, can you all rearrange the letters over here and give me a proper naming word?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm sorry, yes, Alvis?
Ma'am.
T, very good, very good. T,
Ma'am.
T. Please write it down. T, E, A, T. Okay, you have to write over here, write T, E, A, T. Okay. Now the third word, M-I-L-E, mile. Yes.
Third is lime. Third is lime, ma'am.
Very good. Third is lime. L-I-M-E. Write down in the third dash, write down L-I-M-E, lime. Write down L-I-M-E, lime.
Fourth one too.
Fourth one, L-A-M-E. So what will be the
Mail. Mail, ma'am. Fourth
lame
one,
will become?
ma'am.
Fourth one, lame will become male. M-A-L-E, male. Write down. Fourth one is M-A-L-E, male. Okay. M-A-L-E, male. Next, fifth one. You have R-E-A-P. Tree. Yes, Nikshita.
Pear, ma'am.
Pear, very good. P-E-A-R. Write down. The fifth word is pear. Pear is a fruit. Okay, write down. P-E-A-R. Pear. Priya, have you written?
Yeah, move.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, very good.
The name, ma'am.
Okay, next one, sixth one, main, M-A-N-E.
Name, ma'am.
Name, very good. Write down. N-A-M-E, name. N-A-M-E, name.
Fifth one, what, ma'am?
Fifth one is pear. P-E-A-R, pear.
Right.
Okay. And then sixth one is name. Main becomes name. N-A-M-E, name. Then seventh one you have C-A-R-E, care.
Seventh one, red, ma'am.
Very good. It is hair. H-A-R-E, hair. Hair is a rabbit. Okay. H-A-R-E, hair.
Care is
H-A-R-E, hair. Okay, next one. T-A-P, tap. Very good. It is tap. T-A-P, tap. Okay, write down the eighth one. C-A-P, tap.
H-A-I.
Ma'am, sixth one, what, ma'am?
Fifth one is pair, P-E-A-R. Okay, next. Ninth one, cheap. What word can you get from cheap?
Peach.
Peach.
Peach, ma'am.
Yes, P-E-A-C-H, peach. Write down. P-E-A-C-H, peach.
Ma'am, what is seventh one?
Seventh one is hair, H-A-R-E, hair. Okay,
Ma'am, tenth is done, ma'am.
very good. 10th one is den. Okay, they have given E-N-D, end, and the naming word that can be formed is D-E-N, den. Write down D-E-N, den.
There's no heads in the seventh one, ma'am.
In seventh one, you have, I'm sorry. It is not,
Race.
Race.
Ma'am.
race. Yes,
Race.
very good. Thank you for bringing my, it is race, R-A-C-E, race. R-A-C-E. Everyone, please correct the seventh one. R-A-C-E, race. R-A-C-E, race.
Mummy.
Okay. All of you have finished all the 10. Anyone who's still writing?
Ma'am, finish, ma'am.
Yes, very good. Yes, okay. Shall I erase the board?
Finished.
Yes. Did everyone correct the seventh one? All of you have corrected the seventh one. It should be race, R-A-C-E. Okay? Not H-A-R-E, it should be R-A-C-E. Okay? Now we'll move on to the next one. Okay, now next one. Fill in the blanks with O-O or O-A. The same letters should be used for each group. The first one is done to guide you. Okay, so if you see the first one, you have B dash dash R D, then you have T dash dash D, then you have F L dash dash T, and then here they have written T O A S T. Okay, O A is then the dash, and then L dash dash and D. So according to the question, what are they saying? You should either use O O or O A, and if you're using O O, it has to be used for all the 5 letters. Okay, the first one is done for you. They have already told you that you're going to use O A in the first one. So which means for everything, you're going to just write O A. B O A R D becomes board. Okay, then T O A D, toad. Then F L O A T, float. T O A S T, toast. And L O A D, load.
Ma'am,
Okay.
what is
Write down.
second one, ma'am?
For all the 5 letters, you have to use the letters O A. Okay. O A in this dash, here also O A, here also O A. Toast is already given, then L O A D, load. Okay, for all the 5 letters, you will use O A. Okay. Now in the second one, also they have already given FOOL, right? Yes, Pratusha?
In first word, what is there, ma'am?
OA. For everything, for all the 5 letters, you have to use O and A. Okay, you have to use OA in all the 5 letters. I'm sorry, all the 5 words. Okay?
O, A, O, A, O,
Okay. Now the second set of words, you have SH dash dash T, then you have C dash dash L, H dash dash T, then you have FOOL. They've already given you OO, right? And then the last one, P dash dash
I finished, ma'am.
L. Okay, so what will you be using? The second one also, since they've already given O and O, the second one for all the remaining 4 words also you're going to use OO. Okay, SHOOT, shoot. Second one, COOL, cool. Third one, HOOT, hoot. Then FOOL, fool. And the last one, POOL, pool. Okay, pool is the swimming pool.
LL pool.
Ma'am, I finished.
Yes, very good. The ones who finished, very good. Let the others were writing right down. Okay.
L already had a pool.
I'm finished.
Yes.
I'm finished.
The ones who finished, try to find out which 2 letters will you use in the next set of words.
Oh, yeah, ma'am.
Good, very good. Yes. Okay, yes. Okay, yes, very good. For the next one, you will be using the letters OA. Yes. Okay, so which means you will say BOAST, boast. BOAST, boast. Second one, COAT, coat. COAT, SOAR, sword. SOAR, sword. Then GOAT, goat. GOAT, goat. And this will be BOAT, boat. Okay, BOAT, boat. Okay, next, fourth one. Which 2 letters will you use here?
Oh, ma'am.
Very good. Will be O. Yes, you're right. Write it down.
Ma'am.
Yes, write down.
Got, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, so in the last set of words, you're going to use O and O. GOOD, good. HOOD, good. WOOD, wood. WOOL, wool. And FOOT, foot. FOOT, foot. Okay. Now we will read. What is this? This is board. Okay, board. Toad. Okay, board, toad, float, toast, load. Okay, will all of you all repeat after me? But together you have to repeat. As soon as I stop saying, you have to repeat. If it is going to become noisy, then only I will read. You will listen and then practice at home. Is that clear? Okay, now I don't want everyone to make noise. You have to repeat after me together. Okay, everyone together. Board,
Boat.
toad,
Boat. What word?
I'll read it. Please practice it at home. You are making, no, you are not reading together. You are not reading together. I will read, just listen and practice at home. Okay. First one is board, toad, float, toast, load. Okay. Shoot, cool, hoot, fool, and fool. Third one, boast, coat, sore, goat, and boat. Okay. Fourth one, good, hood, wood, wool, and foot. Okay. You have to practice reading these words. Okay, children, practice at home. And did you understand what we did? We only rearranged the words and then we added OO and OA to the words here. Did you understand what we did today?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Do you have any doubt?
No.
No, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
I'm going to take attendance now.